This is Lesson 5 of the Oracle Primavera Cloud video tutorial series by CDP Inc. I'm Matthew Donnelly, and our topic today is resources and costs in OPC. Let's get started. Once we've created our project activities and even added our relationships, we now have the ability to assign manpower, equipment, material, and cost into our schedule. And to do that, we need to first build out our resource register. In your hamburger menu, you can toggle into your resources library, your resources list, where we then have the ability to create our resources. Specify what type of resource they are in your general tab. And in your availability and rates, we've got our maximum units per time and our price per units. Once you have allocated the resources to be assigned into your project, we can navigate back to our activities window so that we can start assigning them in with their allocated costs. The first method, just like with relationships, we're going to highlight our activity, go down into our details tab, and we're going to assign resource assignments. Once we do assign resources, we'll have our selection set of all of our project-specific resources, as well as our workspace resources that we can bring in. Our next method of assigning resources is going to be the assignment method. And to do this, we can highlight multiple activities at once using your shift-click or control-click, right-clicking the range, scrolling down to assign to the activities, and choose resources. By doing so, it's going to open up the exact same assignment window for which you can choose the resources you want to assign to all the activities in your selection set. Doing so, you also have the ability to show details, and if you select a specific resource, you'll have the ability to see if they have any overallocation in that respective time period. As you assign resources into your schedule, it's important to note the correlation of planned duration, planned units per time, and planned total units of your resources. For instance, you'll see that the duration is 5 days. Rebecca Davis is working 4 hours a day, thus giving her a 20 total hour unit count. These three are linked together, so if you change one column, the other two will calculate to match that. You multiply your units times your price per unit, and that will give you your total planned cost. You can analyze your planned cost in your resource assignments tab of your details window, but you'll also notice if you bring in the planned total cost column into your activity window, it will roll up the total cost for all your activities that have resources. So you can see here our construction, we've got $840, roll that up with $5,800 to give us a total of $6,640. The planned total cost isn't the only cost column. We also have the distinct labor, non-labor, material as options as well. We can use our quick column selector here to type in our planned labor cost and bring that in to see the dichotomy between our total and our labor cost. You can continue to add resources in to your activities by using the assignment window down in your details window of resource assignments. Keep in mind you cannot assign resources into milestones since they have 0 duration. As you continue to add resources, you can check back versus your costs and make sure that that's aligning with your project budget. That's going to be the end of our lesson on assigning resources and analyzing their costs. Our next lesson will be on baselines. See you then. As always, thanks for watching. You can find our website and further videos at www.cdp-inc.com. We'd love to hear from you. Please reach out to our email or phone number and connect with CDP Inc. on LinkedIn. See you in the next video.